Central Railway. Bullet, cell weight 98 kg, lifted serial number 5, Soumya Dalvi from West Railway. It has second attempt. Next lifter, Komal Kohan.